Hey guys, this is a follow-up of the Rheem 50-gallon water heater that was actually leaking, and that was fixed by an awesome plumber who just came over, and he kind of replaced this. This is factory installed by Rheem with a simple brass wall. So what actually happened was he actually opened up this panel and he made me feel the water gushing out to the wall. Like it was actually gushing out between the two walls of the water heater. So that's why like the whole place was a mess. So it's been like what, 2 months now since that brass wall we had replaced the original wall from Rheem, this plastic wall. Look at the way, it's got just a very thin layer of the Teflon tape. It's just shoddy construction. It's just like it just came like this from the factory. Shame on Rheem. Shame on you, Rheem. You really need to stop shipping water heaters with this plastic wall, and you need to start using brass walls.